Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 454 SS, price $9,600, with only 41,700 miles on the odometer. This truck remains in excellent condition, showcasing its well-preserved legacy. Under the hood, it features a formidable 7.4L V8 engine, delivering the raw power that makes it an icon among muscle trucks. Its rear-wheel drive setup ensures an authentic driving experience, while the 3-speed automatic transmission provides smooth and effortless power delivery. Dressed in a striking onyx black exterior, the truck boasts a bold and timeless presence on the road. Inside, the garnet red interior offers a sporty and refined atmosphere, further highlighting its well-maintained originality. Running on gasoline, this 454 SS exemplifies the essence of a true American performance truck, blending power, style, and heritage in a way that continues to captivate enthusiasts.
Number 2.
1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,000. It has a 5.2L V8 automatic transmission and 215,000 miles. It features a white exterior, tan interior, fresh paint, and a rebuilt transmission with under 10,000 miles.
The engine has new intake gaskets, and both AC and heat work.
It includes a roll pan, new LED lights, a rust-free body, and a 2-to-4 lowering kit with Nitro Drop 2 shocks for firm suspension. Brakes are strong, though the rear drums may need resurfacing. No warning lights are present. Minor issues include a cracked dashboard with a carpet cover, occasional idle control valve problems, and a faulty power seat switch.
The interior needs cleaning, the front bumper's plastic cover requires installation, and the LED turn signals need resistors. Despite these, it's a solid, well-upgraded classic pickup. Number 3.
1982 Chevrolet S10, price $5,000. It has traveled 300,000 miles and features a manual transmission with a green exterior. It comes with a clean title in hand.
The truck runs well, with relatively new tires and a rebuilt carburetor.
It has also been equipped with new brake drums and pads. The paint is in good condition, except for some damage on the passenger door. While the vehicle has minor leaks from the oil pan gasket and valve cover gasket, it remains in drivable condition. Inside, the truck requires some attention, as it needs a new bench seat or reupholstery, a replacement headliner, and a new starter. Despite these needs, it comes with an upgraded sound system, including enhanced speakers, a subwoofer, and an amplifier.
Number 4.
1989 Mazda B-Series, price $4,500, 5-speed manual mini-truck with a white exterior and a gray interior, running on gasoline. While it has high mileage at 235,000 miles and shows signs of wear, it remains a solid choice as a mountain truck or a starter vehicle. The clutch functions without issues, and despite its age, it still rides smoothly. The 4-wheel drive performs exceptionally well in snowy conditions. Several updates have been made to keep it running reliably. New tires were installed in March 2023, and new headlights were added in July 2022. In August 2022, a California-compliant catalytic converter and muffler were installed, along with head gasket repairs and other engine work. Though mechanically sound, the interior shows significant wear, particularly the bench seat, which has several large rips and holes.
Number 5.
1984 Ford F250, price $9,150, with a 460/7.5L gas engine and 4-speed manual transmission with granny low. All original with 76,000 miles, a gray exterior, and a blue interior.
The second owner, selling after a year, as the previous owner mainly used it for towing.
The truck is in excellent condition, with a clean motor, frame, and interior, aside from a small dent behind the passenger door. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, 100 miles, clutch master/slave cylinder, intake, carburetor lines, failsafe 185 thermostat, and new fuel lines. Tires have 3,000 miles, with recent fluid changes and a new fuel tank switch.
Comes with a brand new 2-inch ball hitch.
Needs a new fuel pump but otherwise runs great.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F-150, price $6,000, powered by a 5.0-liter engine and has an automatic transmission, with a total mileage of 190,000 miles. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior features a clean gray design. Running on gasoline, this truck is equipped with a true dual exhaust system, delivering an impressive and aggressive sound. Despite its age, the interior is in excellent condition for a vehicle of this model year, with well-maintained seats and a clean cabin. It also includes power windows and heated seats, adding a level of convenience and comfort not always found in older trucks. Like most vehicles from this era, it has some dents and dings, along with rust in the typical spots, but it remains a solid and reliable truck.
Number 7.
1997 Chevrolet K1500, price $4,500. This is a well-maintained V8 long bed 4x4 truck with a 5.7L engine and 161,000 miles on the odometer.
Notably, the vehicle is completely rust-free and runs and drives perfectly without any mechanical issues.
The interior is in great condition, with clean seats that have no holes or rips, though the only minor flaw inside is somewhere on the driver's armrest. Recently, the truck has undergone an oil change, passed a North Carolina inspection, and received new brakes, rotors, and a fresh alignment. While it does have a rebuilt title, the only visible damage is a dent on the passenger side of the truck bed, as another dent was successfully removed.
However, this does not impact the truck's performance in any way. Number 8.
1973 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500. This is a pre-smog, rust-free truck that's ready for work or can be turned into a real head-turner. It features a fresh rebuilt 350 V8 long block with Hedman headers, an 8-Brock intake and carburetor, and a dual MagnaFlow exhaust. Paired with a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission, it sits on a 4-lift with 35x12.5 or 20 wheels and tires. The truck also boasts a Dana 44 front axle with disc brakes, a 14-bolt rear axle, and a Class 4-2 receiver hitch. With a bold red exterior, this regular cab pickup has an 8-foot-long bed and a heavy-duty 2-square steel lumber rack.
It starts and idles smoothly even on cold mornings, with recent updates including a new windshield and hood hinges.
Mechanic-owned for over a decade, it comes with a clean California title, registered as a K10 on paper, and is ready to drive.
Number 9.
1994 Ford F-150, price $4,995. This is a well-maintained classic pickup truck that has traveled 220,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 302 V8 engine.
The truck comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless look.
As an XLT model, it includes power steering and power brakes, ensuring a smooth and controlled driving experience. This 4x4 truck runs and drives well, making it a reliable choice for various uses, whether as a work truck, farm truck, or even a beach truck. It remains in clean condition with no rust, except for a small area at the bottom of the front fender. Additionally, all of its features are fully functional, adding to its practicality and classic appeal.
Number 10.
1996 Ford F-150, price $6,900. This particular model has traveled 200,000 miles and remains in excellent condition. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is a striking blue, complemented by a gray interior.
A full Carfax check has been completed, confirming its solid history. All sensors have been replaced, and both the front and rear fuel pumps are brand new.
The air conditioning is exceptionally cold, while the heater functions perfectly. Additionally, a new muffler has been installed. This truck is truly one of a kind, representing the final generation of Ford's legendary F-150 series. Built to last, it has no leaks and remains in outstanding working order.